Your legendary reputation now precedes you, a palpable aura of reverence and caution marking your presence. People understand, through observation or experience, that opposing you carries consequences they are ill-equipped to face. Your very name holds a weight, causing hesitation, a fear that even uttering it might draw unwanted attention to their intentions. Though unspoken by many, you embody an ideal, commanding respect without demand, navigating the world with undeniable power and grace, seemingly untouched by chaos and making it all appear effortless. Yet the persistent question lingers. Who are you truly? Even those closest to you sense a profound mystery shrouding your essence. Your presence disrupts established beliefs about reality, spirituality, and the very limits of human potential. Encounters with your energy leave many questioning their fundamental understanding of the world. It's as if an ancient, boundless force flows through you, defying the ordinary and exceeding the expected boundaries of human existence. This recognition shakes people to their core, triggering inner turmoil in those unprepared for such a truth. The pattern, however, is undeniable. Time and again, those who oppose you face swift, often shocking repercussions. It's as though the universe itself has erected a divine security system around your energy, automatically enacting justice. Consider the betrayal months ago. Witness the subsequent unraveling. Recall the obstruction of your purpose. Observe their current standing. Even those who mocked your spiritual path now confront their own battles. The consistency of these events is no mere coincidence. An increasing number recognize the undeniable truth. Your energy is divinely protected, and those who oppose it do so at their own peril. They have witnessed it too many times to deny the swift misfortune that befalls those who attempt to harm you. This direct correlation between attacks and the rapid downfall of the perpetrators has forged an invisible shield of protection around you. People have grown cautious, even fearful of crossing your path, not due to your direct actions, but because of the universe's consistent defense of you. Your energy field transcends the ordinary, holding cosmic priority. Your mission is not merely important, it is divinely mandated. This sacred assignment comes with an inherent guarantee of protection from forces beyond the physical realm. Every attempt to sabotage you has only propelled you higher. Instead of breaking you, their actions have refined and elevated you. Your enemies watch in stunned disbelief as their efforts to bring you down only fuel your ascent. Over time, you have earned a legendary status, a truth whispered through communities. Do not make an enemy of them. Your adversaries have become living warnings, tangible proof of the unseen power that guards your path. Their misfortunes are no longer seen as random occurrences, but as the direct consequences of daring to challenge one under divine protection. Through every betrayal, every battle, and every setback, you have proven that your presence is part of something greater, a cosmic plan that human interference cannot disrupt. Your untouchable energy was not granted by chance, but earned through relentless trials. Time and again, the universe has demonstrated its allegiance. Every failed attempt to harm you has only reinforced your chosen status. And now, those who once boldly plotted against you keep their distance, silently praying for your oblivion. Their quiet retreat is a confession. They feel the weight of a force far greater than personal vengeance. Not your retribution they fear, but the swift hand of cosmic justice operating with precision. The evil eye cast your way snapped back with multiplied force, turning their intentions into personal disasters. They plotted your downfall, yet they are the ones witnessing their world crumble. Their attempts to block your finances triggered their own money struggles. Their gossip aimed at your reputation only exposed their own truths. Their efforts to isolate you left them lonely and unsupported. And the repercussions did not stop with them. They rippled outwards, affecting everyone connected to their energy. Their loved ones now bear the weight of that same karmic return, creating a growing awareness. Targeting you brings danger not only to the attacker, but to their entire sphere of influence. The pattern is so precise, so consistent, that it is impossible to dismiss as coincidence. What the universe has established around you is not mere protection, but spiritual law enforcement, an energetic firewall that few now dare to challenge. You have emerged from fires that would have consumed others entirely, and that is what terrifies them most. Your strength is not merely physical or emotional, it is spiritual. You have alchemized destruction into rebirth, turning every attempt to end you into a stepping stone of evolution. You possess a resilience that defies explanation. Where others would have collapsed, you rose, smarter, stronger, and undeniably more powerful. This transformation has left your enemies stunned. They anticipated your permanent downfall, but instead, they have watched you rise again and again. While others crumble under pressure, you transmute it into strength, turning chaos into clarity, pressure into diamonds. Where most would break, you build. Where most would surrender, you push through and dominate. Your ability to overcome impossible odds is not just rare, it is transcendent. You embody the essence of a phoenix, continuously rising from the ashes of attempted destruction. Every cycle meant to destroy you only fuels your rebirth. And each time they believe they have finally defeated you, you return even more powerful, more refined and more evolved. Now your very existence serves as a warning. Former enemies, though reluctantly, become proof of your power through the visible collapse of their own lives. Your name reaches places you have never physically been, carried by stories, rumors, and whispered truths. "Do not speak on them" has become a familiar caution among those who have witnessed firsthand the consequences of crossing you. People have realized that attempting to harm you triggers repercussions they cannot control or understand. Your reputation does not require your defense. The universe handles that for you. Your adversaries are transformed into living billboards, public reminders of the cost of opposing someone protected by divine forces. Their downfalls are not mere gossip. They are cautionary tales spreading like wildfire, fortifying the energetic barrier that shields you. You become untouchable, not through retaliation, but through undeniable patterns that repeat with divine precision. What further baffles observers is the seeming ease of your ascent. You go above and beyond without appearing to strive, accomplishing in weeks what others chase for decades. Your progress appears supernatural because you achieve with grace what others battle for in vain. This effortless rise sparks both admiration and suspicion. How does one move that fast, that freely, that powerfully? The truth is, you are not bound by the same spiritual laws as those around you. You are operating under divine order, living proof that timelines can collapse when one walks in purpose. While others plotted your downfall, you remained focused. You poured your energy into your mission, not into petty revenge. While they wasted their strength tearing you down, you built a foundation they could not touch. Their efforts to sabotage your journey only revealed how unstoppable divine alignment truly is. People now question how you continue to thrive despite every coordinated attempt to stop you. And that question only adds to your mystique. Your continued elevation despite adversity serves as undeniable evidence that you are a chosen and essential force in the cosmic plan. Those who betrayed you now stand as proof of what happens when someone tries to interfere with divine destiny. Now, they are beginning to realize that their greatest loss was not anything material. It was the loss of you. Your presence, your energy, your divine connection was a gift they did not fully understand until it was gone. They traded something sacred for something shallow, exchanging cosmic gold for fleeting worldly copper. And now, from a distance, they watch you soar, unreachable, untouchable, and surrounded by aligned souls who truly value your essence. While you build meaningful, empowered connections, they remain trapped in the fallout of their own betrayal, unable to access the blessings that once flowed naturally through your shared connection. The universe ensured they would not miss the message. Every sign of your growing influence, every expansion of your power, serves as a reminder of what they lost. They are haunted not by a single consequence, but by a constant stream of realizations, memories of what could have been had they honored your presence. And as that awareness deepens, so does their regret. Meanwhile, their absence has only created space for something better. The void left by their disloyalty has been filled by those who are loyal, genuine, and aligned with your divine mission. The betrayal they thought would break you actually became the catalyst for soul-level purification. Your path was cleared not by chance, but by divine design. Your ancestors played a major role in this clearing. They do not trifle with your purpose or your protection. They surround your energy field like spiritual warriors, ready to intervene when danger approaches. These guardians operate on realms beyond physical sight, shifting events through synchronicities, exposing hidden intentions, and creating moments of truth that cannot be ignored. What might appear to others as coincidence is, in reality, divine orchestration. Ancestral intervention dismantling threats before they can reach you. With your recent spiritual upgrades, your connection to your lineage has only grown stronger. The power of your bloodline, the wisdom embedded in your spiritual DNA, has become fully activated. This activation did not just enhance your abilities, it fortified your protection. You now carry stronger boundaries, higher discernment, and an energy so refined that negativity cannot linger in your presence. The forces protecting you do not make mistakes. They intervene with perfect timing, using just the right amount of force to neutralize threats without hindering your growth. They know your path requires trials, but they will never allow true harm to touch your mission. You are not just different, you are royal. Your spirit carries a blueprint that few possess. Your spiritual DNA is encoded with a divine purpose that predates this lifetime. You are here now to fulfill ancient prophecies, to live out a mission that was written in the stars long before your birth. And when someone comes against a soul like yours, the consequences are far greater than anything they expected. The universe reflects their actions with magnified intensity. Every betrayal stacks karmic debt. Every attack rebounds with divine force. You were never meant to be trifled with, and those who did are now paying the price. You did not have to seek revenge. The universe handled it. Your reputation was built not through retaliation, but through the consistent, undeniable pattern of what happens to those who cross you. Your strength was proven through fire, your soul tested through pressure. And like a diamond, your essence revealed itself to be unbreakable, resilient, brilliant, and forged for greatness. This proven resilience is what sets you apart from those who merely speak of spiritual power without ever embodying it. Your energy does not just make an impression. It creates a gravitational pull that people feel deeply, even if they cannot explain it. Despite the whispers and fear surrounding your name, there is an undeniable magnetism to your presence. You are the embodiment of a paradox, both terrifying and captivating. People sense a kind of spiritual danger in drawing too close, yet they are irresistibly drawn to you. You have become both a fantasy and a fear, their deepest desire and greatest intimidation rolled into one. But this magnetism runs far deeper than physical attraction. What draws people to you is the possibility of transformation. They sense, often subconsciously, that being close to you means access to a higher frequency, an upgrade to their soul's evolution. Your energy field offers a rare opportunity for spiritual advancement, but it comes with a cost, the death of the old self. That is what creates the inner conflict in so many. They crave the growth your presence brings, but fear the surrender and sacrifice it demands. They want the light, but not the purification. They want the wisdom, but not the burning away of false identities. The reputation you have earned was not built in peace, but through spiritual warfare. The attacks on you were not random. They were coordinated, coming from both the physical world and unseen dimensions. Your enemies formed alliances across realms, trying to silence your awakening, halt your ascension, and block your mission. Their unified resistance is the clearest sign of your power. Long before you knew the fullness of your purpose, the forces of opposition did. They saw what your awakened presence could dismantle. They feared the inspiration your courage would ignite in others. They understood that your rise would challenge their false systems and expose illusions built on control. Your journey is not isolated. It is part of a far greater cosmic shift. Your personal battles are victories on a larger battlefield. Every win in your life contributes to the liberation of others. Your resilience is a roadmap for humanity's awakening. Your protection is not just for you. It is symbolic. It gives others permission to rise too. You are the fulfillment of ancient prophecy. Your presence on Earth during this pivotal time is no coincidence. Your life unfolds in perfect alignment with timelines written in cosmic calendars long before this world took shape. Your awakening is part of a larger design that has been unfolding since the beginning of humanity. While your mission expresses itself through your personal story, it extends far beyond it. That is why the protection around you is so intense, because your life is a divine investment. The universe poured resources, energy, and wisdom into your preparation, and what has been divinely invested must be divinely protected. Those who encounter your energy respond in two ways, either with reverence or fear. The reverent ones recognize your light, your assignment, and they support it. The fearful ones sense their illusions crumbling in your presence and try to push back.